Hey everybody, in this video we have a 2012 Fiat 500 lock. Got this from a junkyard, and we got our SIP22 Lishi here. We're going to actually pick and decode this. And this one actually found a key in the car for a change, which is unusual at the junkyard, but I guess I lucked out on this one. Anyway, see, we can get it picked and decoded here. So I got the Lishi short all the way in. So zoom in here. And one thing we'll notice on this particular lock here is instead of numbers for depths, there's actually letters. We got A, B, C, and D, which is A being the shallowest and D being the deepest. And as far as picking goes, we'll put some tension. Well, actually, first thing was figure out where the wafers are. So I'm going to go feel around here and just feel a spring here. So it looks like we have odd numbers going to be going down, and even numbers are going to be going up. So go ahead and apply some tension to it, and we'll see if we can find anything that's binding here. So we'll just start on the top here. Okay, so tiny click on 4, a little bit of rotation. Tiny click on 6, a little bit of rotation. Tiny click on 8. And click on 2. Okay, 4 is actually binding again. Click on 4, 7, 8. Go check the odd numbers here. So go to 1. See 1 is springy. Okay, click on 3. Still binding. So get a little bit of counter rotation. Get another click out of it. That's similar to the HU101. 5 is binding. A little bit of counter rotation and click on 5. And 7 binding, a little bit of counter rotation, and click on 7. Okay, so all the even numbers feel, all the odd numbers feel springy right now, so we'll go back and check the evens again. Okay, a little bit of counter rotation and a click on 2. Okay, 4 is springy. Okay, 6 is binding. Click on 6, a lot of rotation. And 8 binding, and click on 8, and the lock is now open. All right, and then decoding it here, pretty straightforward. We're just reading letters instead of numbers. So we'll start at number 1, and we have an A. Number 2, we've got a C. Number 3, we actually have B. Number 4, we have B. 5, we have C. 6, we have B. 7, we have A. And 8, we've got C. So we have AC, BB, CB, AC. And I decoded the key with the Condor Dolphin just for the heck of it. And I got the same bitting from the blade of the key here, and I run it through Instacode. I'll put the code and stuff up on the screen here to show it's a valid decode. It actually decodes perfectly. So it's kind of like the HU101, where it feels like, I don't know if they're serrated wafers or not, but you definitely kind of have to click through the different depths on a couple of them. And but it decodes perfect, kind of like the HU66 here on VW uses. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got here on the SIP22. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments. And until next time here, we will talk to everybody later.